this is the trail in the back of the pickup towards Three Whale Rock. It's about 5 kilometers. Yeah. Of course, Daryl asked if we could ride our bikes up here, and they said no, cannot.
Unfortunately, they parked us in a place where we can't get the bikes out. They're not going to let us.
Yeah. They pinned us in. Yeah. What do you think, Nee?
I love it.
Wow. Here we go.
You already want to check me.
He's got image stabilization.
Yeah.
People watching.
Thank God. Yeah. Okay, let's try. Okay.
They say inside have palang too. They now it another palang. Go in again. Scary eye.
Here's a bamboo stick in their eyeball.
Yeah. Okay, so we're still going on this off-road adventure to get to the Whale Rock. It's a lot further than what we thought, so Daryl still insists that we should have bought the bikes, of course.
I haven't seen anything yet that would have changed my mind.
But that goes without saying.
I see nothing that we couldn't have made it.
No, I see nothing that we couldn't have made it with great trouble. But we would have made it.
I would have had dirty sandals.
Yes. Oh, another adventure.
It's not raining.
Yeah. Here is your weather reading app, Kundaro.
Actually, I should check it. There's a hole right in the radar where there's no clouds, there's no rain, and then it's coming from all sides, so it's closing in fast.
But at least we're in an open back truck, so we're okay.
We're in an open track.
Yeah, so it's perfect.
If it fills, we get it back.
Oh, 3 Rock, 400 meters. Oh, there's a cave. Good.
Hermit cave.
This is the trail to the second whale. Oh, slippery area. Okay, cup. So, wow number 1, wow number 2, and wow number 3. Sawadee krap. Hello. Okay, this is Three Whales Rock. Wow. Wow, not intended, wow. Oh, is this Lao?
Other side, yeah, no.
Lao over there?
Yeah.
Okay. And Now we're on the second well. That in the distance is the Mekong River, and the other side of it is Laos. So this is Thailand. Big floods over there you can see in the fields. So this is somewhere where I've wanted to come to for a long time, 3 Whales Rock, and finally we are here. And there's a huge storm looming, but we took a chance to come before the storm, and so far so good. Wow.
Gary came and he picked me up, took her back to the room, and I slept on a bench outside 7-Eleven.
Yeah. This would be fantastic with a drone, because you could send the drone out and then look backwards at these rocks, at the whales. Incredible. Just put one hand on here, on the side, and come backwards like this. That's it. Okay. Wow, what a big tree. So that's the old bridge to the left, and the new bridge that Daryl's on now. And down below is one huge bloody hole. So on the way back, the driver just kindly stopped and brought us here, Elephant Rock. Wow. Absolutely, look at that. And Daryl has placed himself in quarantine into bamboo jail, and the big problem is he found his way in, and unfortunately it grew up behind him and blocked him.
Yeah, don't stand in one spot too long. This stuff grows quick.
Yeah. Okay, mate. Well, it's been a pleasure, and you take care.
Okay.
And we'll see you another time.
Come feed me.
Tomorrow. Okay, my friend. Bye. I say goodbye.
Bye.
And we're on our way back now from 3 Whale Rock. Oi.
One day they go back and forward. That's been a lot.
They used to go a
They
lot
said
more.
they said tomorrow
Totally.
is gonna be a lot.
สวัสดีครับ Hello. Hey.